Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A54 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone, and right here we have to localize the build number, and we will check the status information. And it is not here, so for sure in the software information the build number will be localized. As you can see right here we've got it, and it may be quite strange, but all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. If we've got any kind of screen lock, we will have to enter it to confirm. And as you can see, we've got this information, so now we can go back to the general settings, and here we have to scroll down again, because under the About Phone the developer options will appear. So that was a huge mistake. Let's tap on the developer options, and as you can see right here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can enable the strict mode, we can force dark mode, here we've got the window animation scale, we can show surface updates, show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options connected with the networking, we've got the Bluetooth, also the network, the Wi-Fi, and so on. So we've got a lot of options, and if you want to turn on the option, all you have to do is to tap on the switcher, of course, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options, and basically just tap on the option like to use. So it's quite simple. If you're done with customization of developer options, if you want to turn them off, just tap on this switcher at the top right here, and as you can see most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the general settings, the developer options which were under the About Phone will disappear. But of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the developer options in your Samsung Galaxy A54. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.